Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can set up notification settings for the Autobuyer so that you will get real-time updates if you are away from the Autobuyer. So we support notification in three ways. One is Telegram, the other app you can use is Discord, and finally if you are already using the FUT Market Alert app, even using that you can get real-time updates about the Autobuyer. Okay, so I'll just show you how you can configure all these three things to get the notification. And if you are new here wondering how to get the Autobuyer, I will link that installation video in this video so you can watch that and get to know how you can install the Autobuyer if you wanted to use it. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. So first I will show you how you can get notification using the FUT Market Alert app, as it's easier to set up than Telegram or Discord. Okay, so once you are in the Market Alert app, you have to go to link accounts. So this will be your notification token, so copy it or watch it and type it here. So once you're given the notification token, you can check if the notification is working by sending a test notification. If you see I have received the test notification, so the notification setup is working fine. So for the Autobuyer to send notification, you have to toggle this send notification on, and then here you have to give either A, B or L. So B means it will only send notification if the buy is success. L means it will only send the notification if buy or bid failed. L means it will send both the notification. So I recommend having L so that you will know which all bit you have won or which all bit you have lost. So A is fine. Okay, and then let me save the filter. So what I will do is I will just run the bot and show it to you. I'm receiving the notifications. So if you see I have received this notification, and let us wait for one more player. You see, and I got all the notification. So this is how you can get the notification using the Market Alert app. So now I will show you how you can set up notification using Telegram. Okay, so let me clear this and I will save the filter. Clear the logs. Okay, so for Telegram what you need is your Telegram bot token and the chat ID. So I will show you how we can get it. So if you go to our GitHub page, here we have the written guide on how to set up Telegram. So this is the same step we are going to follow. If you prefer having a written guide, you can follow this or you can watch the video as well. So yeah, let's follow this step. First you have to install Telegram. Okay, then you have to add bot further as your contact in Telegram. So using bot further, we can create our own Telegram bot. Okay, so this is the link for the bot further. I will add this link in the description so you can click and open this. Once you have the bot further link, what you can do is you can use the browser and open this link. Yeah, then from here click on send message, and then here ideally you will have start, but since I've already had a conversation with bot further, I'm getting restart. So either click on start or restart. Okay, so now if you scroll up a bit, here you will have an option called /bot to create a new bot. Okay, so click on that. Now you need to give a name for your bot. So let me call it AB alert. And then now you have to select a username for your bot, and this has to be unique. So let me give AB alert 9098. So you can give some random username, but it has to be unique and has to end with bot. It can be underscore bot or only bot. So you can read this message and create a username for your bot. So now your bot is created. Okay, and this is your bot token. Click on this and then it should be copied. Come back to the Autobuyer. So that's what you have to paste it here. Now we have got the bot token for the Telegram. We needed the chat ID. Okay, so for the chat ID what you need to do is, so this will be your bot link. Okay, click on that. It will open a conversation with your bot. So start. and then you can type some message as well if you want. Okay, so once you started the conversation with your bot, you have to go to this URL. Okay, so even this I will add it in the description. And what you need to do is you have to replace this xxx and yyyy. This bot should be there. Only replace xxx colon yyyy with your bot token. So since I've already copied it, I have pasted it here. And then if you open this URL, yeah, so ideally here you should have the chat ID. So let's refresh a bit. So if you are keep getting empty result even after some time, what you can do is you can try sending one more message to the bot, and then if you refresh, ideally you should have something like this. Okay, so I actually have an extension, that's why my result is looking in a formatted way. So this is how it might look for you. Okay, so what you need to do is from here you have to copy this one. Okay, so from any one of the message, you have to copy chat, and within chat you have to copy the ID. Okay, so this will be same for all the messages, so you can copy it from any message. Once you copy the chat ID, give it here. So these are the information needed to set up Telegram notification. So now if I go here and then click on test notification, if you see here I got this test notification from the Autobuyer. Okay, so let me save the filter, and then similarly I can run the bot and show it to you. Even the Autobuyer alerts we are getting. So if you see, we got the notification for the buy, and let us wait for one more card. So if you see, the previous card was listed and then the bot bought another card. Okay, so this is how we can set up the Telegram notification. So now let's try to set up the Discord notification. Okay, so for Discord you can do two things. Okay, one is either you can use a Discord bot, or you can use a Discord webhook URL to get the notification. So first I will show the Discord webhook thing. So it's actually easy to set up the webhook. Then the bot requires multiple steps. So let's start with the webhook URL thing. Okay, so first let me open my Discord. Okay, and from here you can either create a new server or add to an existing server. I'm going to create a new server. Okay, so yeah, for maybe I will do for me and my friends. I'll call AB alert server, and then let me create a server. So if you are going to use an already existing server, you have to enter your server and then choose any of the text channels. Okay, so once you selected a text channel where you wanted to receive the notification, click on edit channel and then go to integrations. Okay, so from here you can click on create a webhook, and then you can copy this webhook. So this is what you have to give it here, and let me click on test notification. So if I go to my Discord, so if you see here, we have received the test notification. Okay, and for webhook we have one more option. So by default, if you see, all the messages will be from FUT market alert bot, but if you wanted to use your own bot name, what you can do is you can use this, use custom Discord webhook name. Then if you go here and go to edit channel, then integrations, and then webhooks, now you can change the name whatever you want. So I can say custom bot name, and then if I send a test notification now, so now the bot name will be custom bot name. So this can be helpful if you're running Autobuyer from multiple accounts, and then for each account you're having different webhook URLs, but the channel is the same. Then if everything has FUT market alert as the bot, it might be confusing. So for each account you can have your own custom webhook name, so that you will know, okay, this alert is from this Autobuyer and this alert is from the another Autobuyer account. So in that way you can distinguish. So that's why we have this option. So let me turn it off and then save the filter. Similarly, let me buy few cards and show it to you the notification is working. So if you see, we got this card. Let's wait for a few seconds. So the previous card was listed and then the bot bought another card. Okay, So this is how you can set up webhooks for Discord. Now let's try to set up Discord bot to receive notification. So the advantages of having Discord bot over Discord webhook is using Discord bot, you will be able to control the bot from the Discord. So you can either start the bot or stop the bot directly from Discord if you are away from your computer. Okay, so let me show you to you how you can set up a Discord bot. First, you have to visit this developer Discord portal. So even this I will give it in the description. You can click and reach this website. Okay, so from here click on new application. So I'm going to give this as my bot name. You can give whatever you want. So this is the name you will receive the alerts from the Autobuyer. So once this is done, create the application, and then you have to go to bot, then click on add bot, and then click on yes, do it. Okay, so now you need to find the bot token. So click on reset token. So this will be your bot token. Copy it and then give it in Discord bot token input field. Okay, so now you have to find the channel ID. So for that, what you need to do is first scroll down a bit, and then you will have this option message content intent. So toggle this on. If you don't toggle this on, then you won't be able to control the bot from the Discord. So this has to be toggled on. And save the changes. Okay, and then if you go to OAuth, then go to URL generator, click on bot. Okay, so ideally you need all the message related permissions, but I'm going to choose administrator. But if you want, you can play around with this and then choose the exact permission you want. So for simplicity purpose, I'm going to use admin, and then this will be the bot URL. Okay, so let me copy it, and then I will open this in a new tab. Okay, so from here you have to select a server where you need to add this bot. I'm going to use the same server which we created for webhooks. Okay, and then authorize. So now the bot will be added to your server. So if I go to Discord, and then if I go to our server, if you see, our bot got added to this server, but it will be currently offline. So to make it online, you have to select a channel. So let me create one more channel. Okay, even the same channel you can use, but to distinguish both the webhooks and the bot alert, I'm going to create one more channel. I will name it as bot alert. Okay, so once the channel is created, right click and then choose on copy ID. Okay, so if copy ID option is missing, what you need to do is click on user settings and then go to advanced, and then here you have to enable developer mode. Once you enable it, you will be able to, you'll have this option called copy ID. Okay, copy it and then paste it here. Okay, so let's click on test notification. So now if you see, the bot has come online, and if you go to bot alert channel, you will have the test notification thing as well. Okay, so similarly, let me buy some card and then show it to you. The setup is working fine. Okay, so let me start the Autobuyer. If I go to this one, so if you see, we started getting alerts. Okay, so let's wait for one more card. Yeah, so if you see, the alerts are working fine. And as I told you, the advantages of bot is you will be able to control the Autobuyer from Discord. So from here, if you send start as a message, you see the Autobuyer will get started. Okay, similarly, if you want to stop the Autobuyer, all you need to do is send stop. So the Autobuyer will be stopped. Okay, and if you want to switch a filter, for example, I have notification now. If you want to switch it to notification 1, even that you can do. So from here you can do run filter, and then you have to do hyphen notification 1. So here you have to give your filter name, and then if I send this message, you see, for notification 1, the Autobuyer will start running. So now if you see, the Autobuyer started running and we started having cards. Okay, similarly you can use stop command to stop the bot. So this is how you can set up Discord bot to control the auto buyer as well as receive notifications. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please leave that in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Or alternatively, you can use the link in the description to join our Discord server. Any one of the community members or any other mods will definitely help you with your queries.